gonna show you how to set a table in French style. While putting a plate in the table, the first thing I do is put the show plate. Make sure that the plate is 1 inch apart from the edge of the table. Next is the dinner plate, followed by the appetizer plate, the salad plate, the dessert plate, and also the soup bowl with underliner. Next is the cutleries. This is the dinner knife. Make sure that the knives is 1 inch apart from the edge of the table. Same with the plates. Also, the serrated part of the knife should be face down. The fish knife, hold the cutleries by the neck. The salad knife, then the soup spoon, and also the escargot. The dinner fork, the fish fork, and the salad fork. And also put the dessert spoon and fork above the plates. The bread plate with butter spreader, the Demitasse cup with saucer and Demitasse teaspoon. Then put the salt and pepper container and sugar container. And also the tissue holder. Next is glasswares. The water goblet, the red wine glass, the white wine glass, and also the champagne flute. And lastly, don't forget to put a table napkin to make it more classy and beautiful. This type of table napkin I put is called the rose fold. May I present to you the French table setup.